Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the admin on your Google Workspace account. It might sound complicated at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Workspace. Once you're on the sign-in page, choose the Google account that already has administrative privileges. This is important because only an existing admin can assign a new admin. After selecting the correct account, enter your password and click Next to access the admin console. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner and click on the square grid icon if needed, then open the Admin Console dashboard. From the Admin Console homepage, click on Account. Inside that section, find and select Admin Roles. This is where you manage roles and permissions for users in your organization. Next, click on Assign Admin or select the specific admin role you want to grant, such as Super Admin. After that, click on Assign Members. You'll now see a list of users in your organization. Select the user you want to make an admin. If you don't see them right away, use the search bar to quickly find their account. Once you've selected the correct user, click Assign Role. This action officially grants them administrative privileges. And that's it. You've successfully changed or added a new admin in Google Workspace. Just make sure you assign admin rights carefully and only to trusted users, since admins have full access to important settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.